Hello friends, welcome back to Kids for Learn Club, and this is episode number 29 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. With Parishit not being here, it's gonna be a little boring, but let's still make sure that we follow on with the challenge. So today we are gonna draw a sketch, an anime drawing of a boy with a side view. I hope it is gonna be fun. It's gonna be an easy drawing, but a little difficult as well because you'll need to be a little good with the drawing. Let's get started. We'll need this pencil and the white book. Let's get going. It's a side view, anime side view drawing. Okay, so we start with the nose. Since it's a side view, it's gonna be an easy drawing, or the face at least. That's how we make the ears. Okay, the eyes, again a side view. How do we make a side view eye? Like this. A very easy one. The eyebrows, the eyelashes, the eyebrows, the eyeballs. I think easy till now. It is gonna be easy. Anyways, now let the hairs, the most interesting part of an anime drawing. Okay. The hairs, they are also easy to do. Nothing difficult or nothing complicated. Okay, a bit easy until now. Now let's do some sketching. Does this look good? Anime drawing of a boy, sidewise. Was this not easy? Tell me in the comments if this was not an easy drawing for you and if you were not able to follow it. And do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Funland Club to get some amazing goodies from Parikshit. Yeah, if you enjoyed, please tell us in the comments below and tell us also what should be the next drawing that we do. And also let me know if you are finding this video to be boring because Parikshit is not there with me. I'm waiting for your reply. I'm waiting for your comment. See you in the next video, the episode number 30. Yes, it is episode number 30 that will be coming up with next. See you in the next video. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.